Now you might be thinking, okay, then what is the difference between referring to the future tense and then using the mood tense? Because the future is also uncertain. So how does that sort of work? The difference is in its certainty, okay, in how it sounds, what mood it gives. Because if you say, I'm going to eat more, voy a comer más, that is a straight fact. Even though it's not a fact that you're going to eat more, you're not saying that with any doubt, right? There's no doubt or uncertainty when you're saying, I'm going to eat more, right? But if you said, I want you to eat more, you eating more does have that doubt or uncertainty, right? And so the future tense, if you're just talking about the future tense has a certain certainty to it. When you use the future, you're not saying it with any mood of having doubt or uncertainty, right? Oh, I'm going to go hang out with my friends, right? That's different than, oh, perhaps I wish I could hang out with my friends, right? Those two have different levels of certainty to them. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.